So I'm back, and I'm very mad at myself because I found a bag 5 in the box, because we was just going through all of the pieces that we was going to need, and I'm like, we haven't got all these pieces, what are we going to do? And obviously this is the only bag, this is the only thing I built in this colour, so it's like I was missing tons of that. Where's the colour Hannah put all the bags out? Right, anyway, we'll move on. So Mr. Producer has taken his 2 grey 2s back, so I can fit those 2 in there. Let me go back to the page that we was on. So we need 2 of these, 1, 2, and we need 1 of them. Simple as that. Flip that over. Let's just chalk that up to bad experience there, shall we? And let's get building. It might go a bit smoother now for me. Yes. Possibly. Here's hoping. Bless him, he's a good egg, Mr. Producer is. We went and searched in the Lego box for any pieces I didn't think I had, when really I had them all along. So I need 2 of these. Look, straight away, this bag that I got out and emptied all over my desk is all these pieces that I need. So, yes. Can you imagine? Can you imagine the stress that Mr. Producer would have been under if I had to find all these pieces out of the box in the living room? It would not have been a fun day for him. It wouldn't have. 4, 5. In future, always make sure that you have the right bags out. 2, 3, 4. Need 12 of these. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It's not me pumping. It is my phone vibrating that you can hear. If you can hear it. I can hear it, so I'm presuming you can hear it. And I can hear a creak on my chair. And has a good creak on it. Right. Oh, come on. 2 dark brown ones. Just 2 dark brown ones. We were doing so well. Let me just double check what they are. They're not blocks, they're these ones. So 1 and 2. That could have been a disaster there as well. Right. Let's get building it. Building it. I wanna get building in. So I need 4 of these. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 2 grey ones. 1 and 2. 2 more grey ones. 1 and 2. Now all I can hear is the creak on the chair. All the little fiddly bits are going on here. We're building, I don't know which one we're building, the music studio or what. I think it's the music studio, this one. Next page. Next page. So we need that. I want to put this in now. Where's in there? 2 of these. 1, 2. 5 blues again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 pointy black things. So 1 more. 2. 1 single blue. And 4 flat whites. Well, 4 single whites. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okie dokie. So bring the 2 of the single whites together. Make sure they're straight. And there. They don't look straight, they look odd. Oh yeah, right. Okay. Problem is, I'm building this up here, and soon you're not going to be able to see what I'm doing. So I'm going to have to build it backwards way on, I'm thinking. So then you can see what I'm doing. At the moment it all looks very flat anyway. It does. Right, so what do we need here? 2 of them. 1 and 2. 2 single whites again. 1 and 2. 5 blues. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And a single one again. So you put the white ones on top. Again, making sure that they're straight. Which end is the single one going this time? This end. And then just pop on blue ones again. Now I put some white bits on the top. 1, 2. Not time for the windows yet. 3. 3 white. 3 white. And a 3 black. 3 black. Will they be over here? Right, possibly. It's there. Okay. Yep. That just basically connected all of that together. Right, so we're not using this for a minute, we're building something inside, so we'll just pop that there a second. Have a quick drink. Like so. Like so, like so, like so. So that's too small. Do we have a bigger one? Continue. And a flat black. Ask and ye shall receive. And I'm still perturbed with myself, the fact that I missed a bag. I added stress on where there was no need for stress. There really did. So we want 2 dots. Or just 1 dot, sorry. 1 dot. I can't see my book properly. And grey one of them. And 2 of them. So 1 and 2. So on one of these, we're going to put the dot. Place it that way. Put the other one that way. And that one there. Okay, now we're going to cover them. 1. There is the other one. Dark grey. 2, and then a gear shift thing. Gear shift thing. I'm so technical minded when it comes to names. I'm back. I'm just going to sort the cushion out of me. I didn't quite grasp the time. And he's like, we gotta go pick the kids up. So yeah, that's not gonna hold in there. So I don't understand how that works. Maybe if I put this one on. And that red thing's good. Not holding together. What am I missing? That's not going on. What am I doing wrong? That's what I'm doing wrong. I'm putting that on the wrong way round. I'm putting it on the... Oh, Adele. Why is all here? Look at that now. Works perfectly now. It did. For about 5 seconds. I think they're meant to turn. Where do they sit? It does sit there. Like so. And I think they're meant to turn. But that's very, very, very loose. Don't quite understand what that is meant to be. But it's not staying on. They're meant to fit in there. The blue things. Because they don't. And there's no other blue things. Hey there. I'm hoping the next half an hour of this build will go a lot smoother than what I have made this half an hour. I really do. Because I've really caused problems. Really caused problems here. Right. It's in. It's on. It's done. Don't know what it is. But it's in. It's on. It's done. Next page. And it's a drum kit. demo drum kit. Oh. I should have known it was a drum kit, really, shouldn't I? Should I not have guessed that it was a drum kit? I need some more white ones. 2 of. Need 2 blue ones. Got them. What else do I need? 4 of them. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 single ones. 1 and 2. Okay. Come on, Mr. White Ones. Where are you? I did find them over here, didn't I? Those white ones. They weren't somewhere else, silly. They should have all come out of the bag together, so I don't understand. There's one. And there's the other one. I buried them under other Lego. I did. There's so much more to do to this part of the build. Where do you stand? You stand there. I'm actually building a drum kit, and I don't know why I'm not excited that I'm building a drum kit, because I've never built a drum kit out of Lego. Never. But look, I built a drum kit. Yes, I built a drum kit. And of course I had to do the sound effects. Why would I not do the sound effects? Right, it looks like we're building. I need some singles. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, and 3. Now that sits there. That looks higher than that. Because I've done it wrong. Of course. Of course. There we go. There we go. That's that done. Right, we're going to build some percussions now. So we need the saxophone, it says. We need 3 of those. 1. These are the worst things to pick up in Lego. 2, 3. 2 of the sticky uppy blacky bits. Again, the real technical term. 1 and 2. And one of those ones there. Yeah, 1 and 2 stands. 1. Is it 2? Yes, 2. There we go. 2. Hockly doggly. So, and them is attached to that. And then the saxophone. Okay. And then the other one is attached to the top. And the saxophone is attached in there. And then the saxophone stands where? Okay. Saxophone stands there. There you go. Saxophone. Right, we're going to build percussion. One at the bottom. One at the top. That's for the double percussion, which goes on that side. You come back up. Thank you. And there we go. Drum kit, saxophone in. You know what? I just done a jungle piece over. I'm calling time because next we're building walls up with windows and things. So I'm going to call time on this build. But we have done quite a lot. Well, we've built the whole thing. But look inside. Look inside there as well. That looks pretty cool. So we're going to call it at that on this video. I'm going to have a break because it's stressing me out for some reason this time. Yes. So thank you for joining me. Don't forget to like and subscribe for me. And I will see you all soon. So the next one will be some white windows and things and hopefully a lot less stressful. And I'll see you all there. I love you all.